the 5 have to do with real estate? We all know what a roller coaster ride 2023 was for the housing market. With skyrocket mortgage rates and really low inventory, it seemed like the market came to a screeching halt and everybody was like scratching their heads. So will this year be the year of the 5s? Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner, founder of Real Connect Realty. Let's take a look at the forecast. Experts are predicting mortgage rates could dip to the low to mid 5s mid-year, bringing buyers who have been on the sidelines waiting for rates to drop. According to Keeping Current Matters, real estate founder Steve Harney, the lower rates will increase the demand for housing, and he is predicting that we could see a 5.5 million homes sold nationwide this year. Yes, you heard it, this year. Wow, that is great news. Plus, housing prices should appreciate about 5% from last year. Additionally, we are going to see a lot of pent-up buyers and seller demands from 2023 spill over to 2024, creating a more competitive but normal market. So sellers and buyers, get ready as the 2024 market will be heating up. As always, it's best to align yourself with a great agent and a great team. Most agents know what's happening, but a great agent can explain what's happening and create a strategic plan for you. Our team of great agents are ready to help. Please reach out to me and my team so we can help strategize your next move. I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner and founder of Real Connect Realty, where we are all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. Stay informed and stay connected.